It's not uncommon after an accident to have delayed symptoms. Now, usually after a car accident that's extremely serious, you might have a broken bone, you might have bleeding, you might go immediately to the hospital because your injuries are so severe that you need immediate medical attention. However, there are many types of injuries that don't really surface until afterwards. And this could be anything from a head injury, where eventually you maybe start having some sensitivity to light, you might have some confusion, some disorientation, or anything like with your neck or perhaps your back, where eventually you can't move, you get stiff, and things don't work right. Additionally, you might have problems, walking, or perhaps even moving your shoulder or lifting objects. And this may take days and sometimes weeks to really manifest after an accident. So it's important not to ignore these symptoms. You basically want to go treat for them, even if you're not sure what they're caused from or if it's even related to an accident. But you got to get these things treated and checked out, so that way you can make sure if you ever have to bring a claim that you can include all of your injuries, and so that your damages can be adequately compensated.